Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Imran and today I am going to tell you about future tense. It has four types: future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Let's start. Future tense. It has four types. Number one is future indefinite or future simple tense. Second one is future continuous tense. Third one is future perfect tense. And fourth one is future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous tense. So first of all, we'll do future indefinite or future simple tense. Its example is I will write a letter. I have used subject plus will or shall plus verb first form plus object. I will write a letter. I will go to university. I will watch television. I will eat fruit. I will write a letter. Its Urdu translation is मैं खत लिखूंगा. So in Urdu, examples are ga, ki, ge. हम खत लिखेंगे. We will write a letter. It is affirmative sentence. Its interrogative sentence will be will I write a letter and question mark. It is interrogative. And its negative will be I will not write a letter. It is its negative. Now I'm going to tell you how we can use this tense with other pronouns. I will write a letter. He will write a letter. They will write a letter. She will write a letter. So all the pronouns we use this will and first form of verb. It was first type of future tense. Now the second type. Number 2 is future continuous tense. Its example is I will be writing a letter. Its Urdu translation is मैं खत लिख रहा हूँगा. So in Urdu we can say हूँगा, होंगी, होंगे. We will be writing a letter. हम खत लिख रहे होंगे. होंगे. We will be going to a party. हम पार्टी में जा रहे होंगे. I have used subject plus will be plus verb, first form of verb plus ing plus object. I will be writing a letter. He will be writing a letter. They will be writing a letter. In the same way, with all the pronouns, we use will be plus first form of verb plus ing in future continuous tense. Now, future perfect tense. Okay, before going towards future perfect tense, I am going to tell you about how we can make questions for this tense. I will be writing a letter. Will I be writing a letter? I will not be writing a letter. It is its negative, it is its interrogative, and it is imperative. Or affirmative. Now the third one, future perfect tense. Its example is I will have written a letter. I have used subject plus will have plus verb third form of verb plus object. I will have written a letter. Its Urdu translation is मैंने खत लिख लिया होगा. Or we can say मैं खत लिख चुका हूँगा. So in Urdu we can say लिया होगा, चुका हूँगा. Our example sentence was I will have written a letter. With all other pronouns we will use the same pattern. They will have written a letter. You will have written a letter. He will have written a letter. Now, how to make negative and questions. I will have written a letter. It is affirmative. Now, will I have written a letter? It is its interrogative. I will not have written a letter. It is its negative. So by using this pattern you can make sentences. Now the last one. Fourth one is future perfect continuous. Tense. Its example is I will have been writing a letter. I have used subject plus will have been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. With all other pronouns we will use the same pattern. He will have been writing a letter. She will have been writing a letter. They will have been writing a letter. Now the questions and negatives. I will have been writing a letter. Will I have been writing a letter? I will not have been writing a letter. A letter. So it was future perfect tense. Now I am revising tenses. You know, there are three tenses: present, past, and future. They all have their four kinds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I am writing 12 sentences which will cover all these tenses. First was I write a letter. Second is I am writing a letter. Third is I have written a letter. Next one is I have been writing a letter. Now the past tense. I wrote a letter. I was writing a letter. I had written a letter. I had been writing a letter. It is present tense. It is past tense. Now I am going to write the example sentences of future tense. First one is I will write a letter. Second one is I will have written a letter. Third one is I will be writing a letter. It is continuous, future continuous tense. I will have been writing a letter. It is future perfect continuous tense. It is future continuous tense. It is future perfect tense, and it is future simple tense or future indefinite tense. Now I hope you have learned all the tenses. Now try to make sentences of your choice by using the same pattern. It was today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.